This is the demonstration of IR remote control. So three LEDs. We can control the three LEDs. Lighting and switching off. This light. So in this sketch now you can see how it is there. The sketch, the IR remote .h header file is there. The header file somewhat older version, that is 2.5 version. So we have to modify the sketch for newer version. So I am using only the older version of IR remote control header file. This is the sketch. This is the loop. I am using 3 pins, Arduino pins 8, 9 and 10 for red, green and yellow LEDs controlling lights. So you can view the sketch, how it is written. Pin mode 8 output, pin mode 9 output, pin mode 10 output. So the pin receiving pin is 2. They are receiver, pin number 2. So how the IR sensor we can connect like this. 5 volts in middle one the ground and left one is the signal. So here in the circuit we can see how it is connected. So the LEDs with current limiting resistors I'm using. So now it is a Samsung remote control. Samsung remote control. So with the 3 buttons we can switch on. With the 3 buttons 1 and 3 we can switch off. See now switching off. And now with these 3 buttons we can switch on. Switch on. Switch on. So switch off. The 3 LEDs. So you can control 3 lights with this sketch. This is a simple Arduino sketch we can do very easily. The course I have taken are this. It's a Samsung TV remote control for LED on code DAE EA83EC, like that. For each on and off separate codes we have to use. So for switching on, if you press red button, red LED glows, and green button, when you press green button, green LED glows, and yellow, when you press yellow button, yellow will glow. And when you press 1, we can switch off the LED. So with this 3, 1, 2, 3, we can switch off. With 1, the red we can switch on, green we can switch on green, yellow we can switch on yellow. So like this we can control 3 lights. This is the sketch. So if you are interested, you can do it. It will be very useful, good project. You also can do it.